Srimati Supriya Sule ji.
Thank you, sir. I stand here to speak on the Juvenile Justice Care and Protection of Children Amendment Bill 2021. I take this opportunity to congratulate Smriti Irani ji, the Women and Child and Textile Minister, Government of India, for coming up with this very encouraging and reassuring bill in the larger interest of the children of this nation. As she talked about rescues, homes, shelters, I think what she said is absolutely true, and I appreciate her being so transparent and honest about the situation in India. I think more accountability and closer working with states is going to be very critical for you, because I would like to bring to our knowledge that we have a Citizens Alliance group which talks about malnutrition. एंड हर पार्टी के सांसद उसमें है, अभी 2-3 सांसद उसमें के अभी हाउस में नहीं है, लेकिन सचिन पायलट जी उस ओरिजिनल ग्रुप में थे, बीजेपी के शाहनवाज हुसैन जी थे, मैं थी, जय पांडा जी आप जो बीजेपी के आसाम इंचार्ज है, हम सब सांसद थे। तब हम हर पार्टी से एक मेंबर था और एक सिटीजन्स अलायंस ग्रुप हम सब ने बनाया था, जो हर राज्य में जाके हम किसी के खिलाफ नहीं बोलते थे, लेकिन कुपोषण पे अच्छी चर्चा, मुख्यमंत्री, चीफ सेक्रेटरी, वहाँ की जो मंत्री थी, उनसे जाके मिलके हम और क्या कर सकते हैं, इसलिए सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट और स्टेट गवर्नमेंट, ऐसी हमारी एक कोशिश रही और हम करते आ रहे। कभी आगे पीछे चलता है, सबका टाइम नहीं बनता है, हमारी कोशिश रहती है। 10-12 साल से हम ये काम कर जा रहे। तो I would like to request the Honorable Minister that would you like us to an informal way form a group to assist you in seeing how much more we can do as members of parliament in our own states, in constituencies. We come from an ideologically different state, like my state has a different government today. But I commit to you, after speaking to the Honorable Minister Yashomati Thakur, who is our minister, she's totally assuring and committing on behalf of Maharashtra government to make sure this is implemented flawlessly. And please tell us what more we can do to help you to strengthen this law to save every child of ours. The very important issue is about adoption and fostering. I would like to bring to the notice of the Honorable Minister about a story. एक कहानी है, एक दो डॉक्टर्स है महाराष्ट्र में और दोनों गायनेकोलॉजिस्ट है। उनका एक अस्पताल है, छोटा सा क्लिनिक है। वहाँ एक महिला आई थी, यंग महिला थी, उसका बच्चा भी हो गया और वो एक दिन में वहाँ से भाग गई। फिर उनको पता नहीं चला इस बच्चे का क्या करे, तो उनकी 2 बेटियाँ थी, उन्होंने कहा क्यों ना इस बच्चे को हम घर लेके जाए। एंड दे डिडंट नो व्हाट द लॉज वर, दे थॉट कि किसी का बच्चा है, छोड़ के गए, प्यारा है, तो बच्चों को लगा, इसलिए माँ बाप जो डॉक्टर्स है, एजुकेटेड है, वो बोल रहे थे कि हम घर लेके जाएंगे। तो बच्चा घर लेके गए, हफ्ते में वहाँ पुलिस और NGOs पहुँच गए और उन्होंने कहा ये फॉस्टरिंग कर रहे, अडॉप्शन कर रहे, ये तो गुनाह है आपका, तो आपको जेल जाना पड़ेगा, तो आप ये जो जहाँ संस्था होती है उसको बच्चा वापस कर दीजिए। तो उन्होंने बच्चे को वापस कर दिया और काफ़ी उन्होंने चक्कर मारे कि मुझे हमको ये बच्चा अडॉप्ट करना है। 6 महीने लगातार वो कोशिश करते रहे, लेकिन उनकी 2 बच्चियाँ हैं, इसलिए वो बच्चा ये अडॉप्ट नहीं कर पाए। अभी सर आप सोचिए कि अच्छा घर है, एजुकेटेड घर है, अगर एक बच्चे को अच्छा घर, और जी अरविंद सावंत जी जिस संस्कार के बारे में कह रहे थे, वो संस्कार इस घर में उसको अच्छा सब होता। लेकिन इस पे अगर स्मृति जी कुछ बोले कि what can be the long-term solution on a very serious note about even fostering, and the same cases happened in Mumbai. As a matter of fact, Smriti ji has worked in Mumbai extensively. There is a director which we had a lot of issues with in Bollywood, who was very kind enough to foster a child who had lost his hand. And he tried to foster the child, but they had to step in and take the child away because the fostering rules are very different. So till the child got adopted, he could not keep the child. So he had to return the child to an infrastructure which was not half as good what these parents wanted. I understand that there is a lot of misuse and abuse of children, but at the same time, what more can we do in the right context of making sure people who are in good homes, who are qualified homes, can adopt children like the way it is done. I think a lot of Pradita ji as well as Praneet ji talked about the DM situation. I think there were 2 contrasting views. I would like to add to this that when Smriti ji brought this to our notice, we had a discussion in Maharashtra. We even spoke to our collectors and district magistrates that kya kare, are you open to working? They are absolutely open. I don't think they're feeling that this is going to be highly taxing for any administration. The cause is so good that please be rest assured, I'm sure our district administration would be very proud. I do appreciate your point, Praneeth ji. I don't mean to demean it, but I understand they are overworked. But this cause is so noble that I'm very sure that the administration would be more than happy. And I think we as MPs, if this comes under the district administration, we as my member of parliament in our Disha committees can review this, assist them and help them. And I think the child welfare committees need strengthening. So I'd request the Honorable Minister that if she could write, like in Citizens Alliance, we formed, this is nothing to do with which side you're sitting on in Parliament. We are, I think, all supporting this bill. So if she could, I'm sure she's done it in the past, but to reiterate this point and this new change, if she could write to all the women and child ministers or chief ministers and put it completely high on agenda. It's like polio. इस देश में पोलियो हुआ करता था because somebody in Delhi, I remember Harshavardhan ji was an integral part of eradication of polio in India. So if everybody puts their minds and decides that is देश का हर बच्चा polio free होगा, we have managed and we have achieved such success stories. So why not make adoption and child care as a top priority of the nation? And I'm sure if Smriti Irani ji writes, I'm sure all the mantralayas will definitely assist her. And if there's, I reiterate that if as members of parliament, if there's anything more we can do to assist you, I won't get into the details because I think it's a very, very well drafted. This is one of the few bills I think from this government which is well drafted, well thought of. So I would compliment her for doing such a good job. Just one last small point that there is an NGO called Pratham in Maharashtra, which government of Maharashtra at Home Ministry, that time the Home Minister was Shri R.R. Patil, and they had done wonderful work. So if we could make that as a good success story, I would like to share it with you, how to improve our shelters with help. So Pratham has done an exceptionally good program, and I think the begging issue that Arvind Sawantji raised, I think is very painful that we still see our children beg when we have right to education for them. It's really a shame, and it reflects, and I take ownership that we have obviously failed our children somewhere where our children have to beg today. So I think if some programs like this can be added to the Mantralaya, we would like to work closer with the Women and Child Ministry. I compliment her again from the bottom of my heart and reassure that whatever good projects like this, Maharashtra will excel, support you, assist you and work 100% with you, if not 500%. Thank you.
Thank you very much.